Photos page allows you to upload and organize candid and portrait photos and custom clip art, as well as retrieve additional photos from members of the community using the Photo Post feature. You can navigate through the different sections of the Photos page by clicking on the tabs. You can select a photo or multiple photos by clicking on it or clicking the checkbox below it. Use the toolbar features to apply to the currently selected photos. For example, you can copy or move photos from one folder to another. To upload photos from your PC for use in the software, click on the Upload button. Photos will be uploaded to the currently selected folder. Click on the Portraits tab to work on your portraits. Click the Portrait Import icon to upload photos directly from your PSPA CD according to the PSPA index file. Just as with candid photos, you can select multiple portraits to copy them or move them to another folder. You can also click the Preview Info icon to change the name, view PSPA information, and also determine whether or not the photo is a teacher. The Teacher Portrait checkbox allows you to automatically flow teachers into the first positions on your automated panel pages using the Portrait Wizard. You can also select the priority here for multiple teachers. Any changes that you make to a portrait that's already been used in a panel page, such as changing the name or moving a portrait from one folder to another, will cause your panel pages to automatically update. When that occurs, you'll get an alert message, and the text of that message will also be available in the Help dialog. We highly recommend that you go back to the Advanced Design page and take a look at any existing panel pages to make sure those changes are what you would like. A check mark on a portrait photo shows that it's already been used in the book. A number on a portrait photo signifies that it's a teacher and shows the teacher priority. The Photo Post feature allows you to collect additional candidates from members of your community. To use Photo Post, you can click New Folder to create a folder, and then click the Invite button and send an email to anybody that might have some photos to contribute to the yearbook. The recipient will receive a link where they'll be able to upload photos directly onto this page. They won't be able to see the yearbook software or the yearbook or anybody else's photo. This is a great way to collect additional candidates for potential use in the yearbook. On the Clipart tab, you can create your own folders and upload custom clip art to use alongside the standard set of clip art that's included with the software. And finally, on the Facebook tab, you can connect to an existing Facebook account to pull down photos, again for potential use in the yearbook. Click the Help icon and refer to the end user guide or contact your yearbook provider for more information and assistance.